Hey there, how you doing? Some of you may have heard or have seen that we have taken on the project of renovating this home to create an Airbnb. We're not calling this the half house because it literally looks like half a house. And got a lot of work to do here. It's going to be completely new floors throughout, complete new fresh coat of paint on everything in this house. A few little odds and ends here, a few doors, a few windows, but not a complete door and window job. So yeah, this is a 2-bed, 1.5 bath, little bungalow downtown. We're going to be hopefully having this thing ready to rent by the 1st of April. But we do have a lot of work to do, and we just wanted to document some of this as we go through it. I know people a lot of times find this interesting, and as do I. Every time you get into a house, you find little bitty nuances, I guess you'd say, of unique things that are interesting to see. So, documenting it for myself, but also for everybody to see the transition from old and grungy to maybe fresh and beautiful, hopefully. Me doing most of the grunt work myself with some of my team, but my wife will be doing all picking of colors, decorations, whatnot. And yeah, so my parents are in on this with me, and it's a family affair. So here's what I'm into today. Already pulled up all the living room and hallway flooring here. It was an old laminate flooring, disgusting, and we've already had it picked up from the side of the road. She's long gone, but the good news is this subfloor is in pretty good shape. So we're going to come back over this entire first floor with an LVP most likely. But I'm here in the kitchen area, and what I found is some kind of ceramic tile straight down to the subfloor, then some kind of stick-on laminate tile on top of that, and then we had a sheet of vinyl over top of that I just got removed. It wasn't glued or anything, it was just sitting in here floating, so it was so easy to pull out. But as you can see, this place pretty filthy. Yeah, and we're going to be giving this baby a nice shine. Brand new appliances throughout. Going to paint these cabinets and put in some, what we plan on right now is some concrete countertops, some cast in place type. Yeah, one interesting thing we're going to have to figure out is this cabinet has been notched to fit a refrigerator. So we got to pretty that up somehow. We got to see what we have to do, measure, see what kind of fridge we need. We may end up having to redo this upper cabinet somehow to make this functional. And yeah, so here we are on our journey, and one of the first steps is getting all this old junk out of here. So I'll have a wonderful day, and see you later.